All right, good evening, everyone. All right, so welcome to the live stream. So sorry for starting late. I had to get one or two things ready. So sorry about that. And also, Pastor Chris is live. Okay, so that one too is a factor. All right, so we don't have any interview today. We just have a live stream today slash market review. Right, so we have a market that we're going to be reviewing this week, so we can actually be profitable. All right, so if you're a newbie trader, you're advanced trader, whatever category that you are, weekly analysis is for everybody. So even though you don't really understand what we're doing, maybe you're a newbie, that's not a problem. You can just stay with us, look at what we're actually doing while you as well walk in line in getting to know how to trade the financial market, because you should know how to trade the financial market. It's very important that you know how to trade the market. Trust me, because Forex is number one skill in the world. All right, number one market in the world, bigger than anybody, bigger than any business you can think about. So everybody involved in the financial market, whether directly or indirectly. So the one that we're doing right here is a direct trading. All right, so those of you that are not doing direct trading, you're doing indirect trading. As long as you're spending money, all right, you're doing indirect trading. So imagine doing indirect trading and as well doing direct trading. What do you think is going to come out of it? You're going to be fantastic now. All right, so you're taking advantage of the movement of price, movement of currencies, whether it is going up or it is going down. As long as you key into the line of where you expect markets to go to, you're going to make a lot of profit. But once you don't key in line with what with where the market is actually going to get to, so what happens? You're not going to make profit now. So what is your own goal? Your own goal is to focus on catching trades, catching signals that are going to enable you to take trades that are going to go according to your predictions. All right, so that's what makes you a profitable and a successful trader. All right, so if you don't know how to trade the financial market, I advise you to learn structurally. It cannot be overemphasized. You have to learn structurally, because if you don't learn structurally, just know that you're ready to lose money, and you'll be in the category of persons that call forex trading a scam, whereas you are the scam yourself. All right, and that's very terrible. So in this current economic situation that you are, you don't need to be wasting money. And trust me, if you want to waste money without having the right skill for yourself, I better give me the money, make I use and chop to your face. You understand? So not for you to be wasting money. Instead, you should focus on learning. Then you remove the L to do what? N. There is a reason why those words are connected together. There's a very big reason why they are connected together. So you don't have to try to earn first before you try to learn. That means if you try to do that, you'll be learning the hard way, and that'll be very terrible. All right. Only those that learn the hard way and still stay in the trading are the ones that maybe one way or the other are fortunate with capital. And if you are unfortunate with capital, based on the level that you are, you don't need to be wasting money. Just go through the right way, and you maximize the money that you actually have at hand. All right. So it's very important that you actually do so. Forex trading is very fantastic, very interesting. Imagine a skill that you just stay from the comfort of your home and do what and make your money. All right, so that's a fantastic skill. And so you notice I'm looking down. I'm trying to send out link to some persons that told me that they want to be part, and not just that, try to reach out to people that are in the academy as well. So we have diverse groups. So trying to put it right there. So that's why you see me looking down, operating. I'm operating my phone actually. So once successfully do that, then we just go straight to the trade, and I'll ask you guys to drop suggestions as usual. The markets that you want us to review. We have time today. The reason is because we are not interviewing anybody. All right, so we have time to review a lot of markets. So you can drop your suggestion, but remember, I'm going to pick I'll pick the ones that appear the most. All right, so the ones that suggested the most, so that's the one I'm going to pick. All right, so don't suggest random stuff. And remember, I told you guys that in this period of the war going on, told you guys that what you should be doing, you should be trading pairs that are related with JPY and USD, then as well gold, then CHF. All right, so CHF gold, and USD, then JPY. So those four. So you look at pairs that are attached to them, then you focus on them towards trade. Because trust me, I'll be real with you. The forex market is not favorable when you don't understand the fundamentals in place. It's not favorable at this current time because your analysis may fail. You have high chances of failing. But if you follow the instructions I'm giving to you on the right pairs to take, you will not have issues. And those of you that's actually gotten a prop account, I say many of you getting a prop account, that's very fantastic. Right, it's very fantastic. And FS Media with like Father Christmas doing giveaway every time. Free signals being provided to everyone that has gotten a prop account, as long as you use our link. Right, so if you are here to get a prop account for yourself, that is, you're not a newbie trader, an intermediate trader or advanced trader, you're the one I'm talking to. You can get a pop account. If you're a newbie, just leave pop first. I'm being real with you. Leave up and learn, trade, fund your real account, trade first before thinking of buying a pop account. All right. So you know yourself. You know the ones I'm actually talking to. I'm not saying you should come and like as you're new in the trading, you just want to get a pop account immediately. No, you need to be able to relate to the forex market first the right way. That is having your account being funded, trade well, learn well. Once you have a good relationship and you're profitable, then you can try out a pop account. And not when you are not profitable, you want to try a pop account. That will be your own personal decision. And the benefit of having a pop account cannot be overemphasized, in which you actually went out of our way to get a one that will suit everybody, with the lowest package is $29 at 10 trade. So if you are hearing it for the first time, I recommend that prop firm is 10 trade. All right, so you can go to our website www.fxmediatrade.com. You scroll down, you will see our recommended prop firm. Our recommended prop firm also offers brokerage services. So it's a 2-in-1 prop firm, and that's a fantastic one. So anything you want to do, you want to fund your account and trade normal, is there. You want to create a demo account, is there. You want to create a prop account, is there. Everything that you need is right there in one, and that's one interesting thing that made me to like 10 trade. All right, so like I said to you guys, for a prop account, you have just little, which is $29, as in the lowest package. So tell me, there is nobody that will give an excuse not to have an account. All right, so $29 for a $3,000 account, that's amazing. Evaluation phase, and I've explained everything that has to do with understanding prop firm. So if you are here hearing it the first time and you don't understand what we're saying, you're currently on the YouTube channel, so you can check our videos. I think our last 2 videos I talk about how to pass your 10 trade prop account, and understanding it. When you understand something, you will know how to pass it. So that's the breakdown that I did on that video on how to understand it and pass it. That's just it. I broke everything down. Then the other video is step-by-step guide to depositing in your trade account. All right, I did that, so I actually help you. Then once you've done all those things, all what you need to do, send me a proof to be added, for you to be added to our signal. You must use our link. If you don't use our link, that's the end for you. So I have some messages, I think, from Oseni. I don't know if Oseni is on this call. Oseni, I got your message, but after the live class, I'm going to add you to the signal room. All right, so what's going on? Is the network for me? I'm just opening up the chat section. Okay, just me X man said, sir, please, I'm desperate to learn forex. Okay, no, calm down. You need to calm down. All right, and follow the right way. Some trader around me that they always blow up their accounts, and it's discouraged me from learning forex. Don't mind that person. I've told you guys that anybody that bullshit. Someone said my mine has hung since. Okay. I think it's your network. Or is it mine? Alright, so let me briefly check what's up. I said it's breaking. You guys said it's breaking. Alright, so just give me a few minutes. Let me see if I can sort out my network. How about this thing I just said did not just go to waste too? I hope you guys got everything I said because the information I communicated was very, very important. Just hope network did not actually interrupt what I was actually saying. Wow, we have a lot of network. It's breaking. Okay, just give me a sec, guys. Come on, let me switch my network. Wow, I can see you guys' messages. Network bad, network bad. Okay, that means it's obviously for me then. So I want to change it. Hold on, guys. Okay. All right. Okay, you guys. I'm getting message that network is stable now. All right. So I've changed it now. All right. So okay. So I'd like to confirm if everybody can hear me and we're good to go. All right. So if I'm not breaking anymore, indicate in the chat section so we can proceed. Always ensure that we don't have any network interruption so that you can get the value I'm communicating to everybody and you don't miss out. I want you guys to make profit for yourself and not lose your capital or lose your money. All right. So I'm getting it's good now. Yes, it's okay now. All right. So we proceed. So I communicated a lot of things from before the network started giving issues as regards how to go about your prop account. All right. So if you're actually trading a prop account, all right. So I said to Seni, I got your message. I'm going to verify you and send you the link after the live class. All right. So our advice, if you actually have money to spare, you can actually buy a prop account, all right, and keep them because trust me, with the way this country is going, guys, the rate will be shooting up massively. The rate is likely going to shoot up massively, crazily. All right. So yeah, I think that would be that. I'm sure many of you participated in last week interview with what's his name again? Spencer FX. All right, so you got the knowledge communicated from him. Someone said he's an aggressive trader. All right, so we have different kind of traders: aggressive traders, cool traders, whatever. You need to discover who you are. Yeah, and he said that whenever he's losing, what happens? What do you get to do? You travel. All right. So that's him managing his psychology. Everybody has a way they manage their psychology. So you too can actually find a way to manage your psychology. All right. So very easy, very fantastic to learn Forex, but you just got to give it your best and do the right thing. And then you're doing the right thing. So the sky is going to be your limit. All right. Okay, Princess, I think it's not your network. I can hear you clearly. I've already sorted everything out, so we're good. I've changed the network, so we have 90 people connected right now. So we should have more people connect before we dive right into the analysis. All right. So remember, I told you guys the pairs you should actually look out for. Please and please, don't don't trade outside these pairs I've given to you guys, and please don't force a signal. It's very important to manage your psychology in trading. Don't force a what signal at all. Don't force it. Sorry, guys. Uh, uh, all right, so back to what I was saying. I said don't force a signal. It's very, very bad for you to force a signal. If your conferences are not what's met, don't force the market at all. All right, don't force the market. Ensure your conferences are met before taking any trading decision. All right. So getting to trade is very fantastic, but you gotta give it your best shots. You gotta take the right step, move from one step to the other, one step to the other, one step to the other. You cannot jump. If you jump, you fall. But if you climb, you get to your destination. Okay, so it's very important that you actually do that. I always talk about psychology because it's very important how you manage, how you take your trades, what you do, the things you do when you are what trading or when you are losing. These things are very important because I can communicate the skill that you need, everything that you need. But if your psychology is not balanced, you're going to have issues. Okay, I'm saying someone say I've lost a lot in Forex. I know now with your teachings I'll be profitable. Definitely, you will be profitable. We have diverse testimonies. If you are not yet profitable, if you're not yet profitable, don't worry about that. You just need to learn rightly. If you have learned rightly and you're not still profitable, there is something you're not doing right. You need to structure what you are not doing right. And never forget the common errors made by traders I communicated to everybody. What did I tell you to do? The errors, one of which, if you are in a losing streak, that is, if you're losing, what you should do is you clear your head, normal. Then you need to visit that trade, the reason why you what, the reason why you lost that trade, so that you will not what and make that same mistake again. It's very, very important that you do that, because if you are in a losing streak and you allow revenge trades to kick in, it's not everybody that's going to happen when you lose. But if you find yourself being unhappy about a stop loss hit, it means that you are not actually applying proper risk management. Hope you guys are catching what I'm communicating to you guys. It means that you're not applying what proper risk management. You need to what apply proper risk management by managing your psychology very, very well. Okay, this thing is cannot be actually overemphasized. So you must find yourself in positions that when you take your trades and trade hits your stop loss, you should be okay with it. You shouldn't have issues. You shouldn't be grumbling. You should be okay. You shouldn't have any issues from anywhere. All right. Okay. So another common errors I communicated to you guys is ensure you are using stop loss. Traders on your stop loss have a trading plan. It's very important to have a trading plan. So you have a target profit that you're looking out for the day. If you don't have a target profit, it will make you to overtrade and thereby you blow your account. You find yourself making profit with maybe you have made $200 for the day, and because of you don't have control, you don't know how to control your trading, you get into a trade, you lose the money that you've made in the morning, and that can be frustrating. And when you find yourself in such position, it's crazy. it gives you a lot of pressure, it gives you emotional trauma and stuff. So you don't need to find yourself in that position. Treat forex trading like your business. Don't treat it like a get rich quick scheme. And it's very, very bad if you actually treat it in such a manner, because you that is still going to lose, and that's very bad and disheartening. It's not so cool. We are here to make profit, enough for you to give to the market. You are to what? Take from the market. I told you guys in FX media, profitable withdrawals is our birthright. That should be your what? Birthright as well. Profitable withdrawals should be your birthright. Okay, it's very important that it is your birthright. You don't making losses should not be your birthright. You should what? Make profit and let it be your what? Birthright. That is what it should be. Okay, you need to find yourself in such a position where you do what? You make profit. There are situations you make losses, but what makes you a good trader is when you make more profit than your losses. I've told you guys that losing is part of trading. It's normal. There's no business that does not involve profit and loss. But what makes you a good businessman is you making more profit. Someone said, how do we go about buying a pop frame? You can, I've said this, go to our channel. The video is right there provided. We have so many pop frame flooding everywhere. I know many of you are seeing adverts maybe on your Boomplay or your Instagram or whatever social media platform that you're using. You are seeing different pop frame. Don't go and chook it into the one that will cut your head. I'm telling you the reality of life. Because of pop firm have come, pop firm have been into existence a long time ago, but it's looking like a new trend in the year 2023. And you find a lot of people coming out. You understand, when there's an original, fake will always come outside. So that is why you don't see me promote anyhow pop firm. And I've not even promoted the pop firm apart from 10 trade. I'm so careful in choosing 10 trade because of I don't want any issues with anybody's money or anything. I even boldly told you that you don't store your profit in your pop account. Always withdraw to trade your own account. I told you that, right? I always say I'll tell you the truth and how to go about it, because the capital of my clients are at my interest. All right, it's very important that everybody is safe. And due to what happened in one of the brokers that we actually using before, I gave you guys first-hand information early this year, and you guys got your funds out because those people were actually they left Nigeria. It is not like they scam anybody, no. But I gave you guys first-hand information that okay, this was going on. Take out your capital. They are leaving Nigeria. All right. So before every other person's got to know about the information. So I already gave out information. That's why it's very I'm always looking at these things. Put every the what protection of clients' funds is very important. Protection of clients. So in case of anything, even though there is a liquidation or what, you can always everybody can actually get their money. And we are not actually praying that there will be a liquidation of any company or any firm. No, I'm not praying for that. But I'm just saying that what if it doesn't work? Like what's up? Are we losing our money? No, you should get your money back. All right. Let's go. So we have more people participating right now. So I'm giving you guys a few pep talk. Right. So let's dive right into what we have today. The market review, guys. All right. So I'm going to be sharing my charts very soon. So far so good. I told you guys that the market has not been friendly. Okay, but the pairs I asked you guys to look into are the ones that are going to be what friendly to you. Okay, so one of those pairs that we're going to be looking into is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys right away. Okay, now always remember that whenever I was streaming, what do? You get to switch your YouTube mode to what do you call it again? HD, so that you can see the chart very, very well, guys. Okay. All right. So I'm sharing my screen already. So we have the first one I'm actually looking out for that has a very good thing to look out for is USDCHF. Okay, so USDCHF actually did not go as predicted in our last um, market review for its change direction due to the news that came in. All right, so but based on what we are seeing in this new week that we are entering, or rather we've entered already, so you're looking out for more buys to come in USD CHF. So let's look at for the technical tools that we actually have, analysis that we have right here. So we find out that market has been doing what? Come on, guys. All right, so we find out that market has been what? Going up. Now this downtrend that we have right here is what has actually been broken. This downtrend we have right here has been broken, and we saw a rejection in this major zone and a buy. So we go straight to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, my hand actually tossed this guy right here, this trend line. Actually tossed it, right? So I told you guys that the last market review there was a consolidation here. I said whichever place it breaks out from, we are going to have a massive move. And he actually broke out, came back for a test, it played with people, took out their stop loss, came and bounced and gave us uptrend. Now, with what we are seeing right here, we're going to be having more buys, and look out for possible places where markets can actually retrace. All right. So there's one interesting zone that could make markets to react, which is this neckline that we have in this place. This is a neckline. A neckline. If you look very well, a double top right here, then neckline broken. Okay, came for a retest to this zone, then drop up to this point. Now, so we're expecting markets to do what? Buy up to this neckline. And once if it takes out this neckline, then we're expected to get to another level right here. All right, so let's keep analyzing and keep plotting what we have, because main looking at what we have right now, I already know what the market is likely going to do. But for your own understanding and people watching to actually enhance their market analysis, don't forget that what we teach in our market review is what top-down analysis. There's no any other strategy that we teach, because top-down analysis is the best strategy you can actually get in the world. All right, so we are on a 1 hour time frame. So what else can we plot? We have a breakout in this trend line, and we have a rally to the upside. You can see how markets is trending, has been trending like this. All right, so there was a breakout from here. A breakout, yeah, retest, went to the top, now came for retest. I think the retest is actually done. So what do we do right here? So looking out for possible entries for us to get into the market. Now, as I take my trades, I allow market to set before I take my trade. If you miss an entry, there will always be an entry. Right. So if you look very well, what actually make this trend line to break, you have the head and shoulder that got broken, change market direction, market is actually trending up. There's a high tendency that market is going to get to this level right here. So let's go to a lower time frame and see how we can have a good entry and a fantastic stop loss. All right, so we have this right here, a breakout here. a breakout. So I think this market is actually done with testing and is planning to go up. All right, I'm definitely is going to take out this higher high that we have here. So for me, guys. So let's put risk to reward ratio. I told you guys that your top-down analysis, you get to enter trades from either your 1 hour time, sorry, your 30 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame. All right, guys. So based on my experience in trading, so why is my stop loss actually right here now? Because this is a very important level. This level right here is an important one. All right, that is the resistance that's turned to support. All right, so there's high tendency that markets could still break out, come back, and dance around up to this point. So that is the reason why I'm actually putting my SL to be at this place. So just in case, so that my trades will not get to be manipulated. So so this is the buy we are actually looking out for. So what are we actually risking? This is a 34 pips right here to target about 74 pips. Okay, that's a fair one. That's not too bad. Why actually like this testing level right here? So that's why I'm risking up to 34 pips. But our trades run in profit, we adjust it to this important level that we have right here. So but this is the trade that we're actually looking out for on USDCHF for the week based on what the market, based on technical analysis. Okay, so let's see possible turnaround that is likely going to happen. Okay, so we have an important level right here. So let's plot them out to derive probably that we want to be to. Okay, this is an interesting level, cycle level, this resistance level that, all right, and likely going to lead to pullback. So this level right here is likely going to lead to pullback. That explains better why I actually put my SL up to this point. In case there is a rejection, the buyers could gather momentum enough to push the market to where the upside. That is why I had to put my SL this way. All right, so you know how much you're risking in your trade. Now, don't forget what I always say to you guys. We are not the owner of the forex market. We can only speculate. All right, predict where market is likely going to go to. So if we predicting where market is likely going to go to, is not a guarantee that's going to go there. So don't mix your entire funds thinking that FS media is short for you, it's short for me, but still be what you still need to be careful. I myself am also careful. That's just it. Apply proper risk management. That's what I'll tell you. Because we are not the owner of the forex market. Market is likely going to change direction. If he wants to change direction, he wants to change direction. But your own is to risk small, target big. All right, it's not gambling. Don't see it as gambling. It's not a gambling matter. So that is why we always say apply proper risk management. So whatever I give to you, well, whatever I've given to you right here today, all right, is based on what we see in the market and not a guarantee that's going to get there. But we have a proper speculation of over 70% that is going to go towards that direction. All right, so now that we've looked out for buy, is there a possibility of a sell? All right, so with what we have here, I don't see any possibility of a sell. Why I see is a buy. So if there is a setup that comes in for a sell, I'll let you guys know in the funded trader too. Well, what I'm saying right here, I'm seeing a buy movement for technicals. So I've not checked my fundamentals. I'm supposed to check my fundamentals and see how it's going to look like for the week and fundamentals. All right. Okay. Melody Johnson, I used this pair to make money small last week. Fantastic. All right. So I want to check. I'm going to load up fundamentals. So we check our fundamentals together. We're analyzing, we're reviewing the markets together. So I'm loading it up, then I share my screen so you can see. So let's see how the market is going to be, because we attach our fundamentals with our technicals. If you are just joining, you're a new trader, you're not understanding what you're doing, it's not a problem. Just follow the right way. Learn. There is a slot for you to learn rightly in the academy. Just apply. And those of you that are already having lectures that I sent to you guys, you can join the live stream. If you don't understand, it doesn't matter if you don't understand anything. That's not a problem. We have our deal. Tomorrow we are meeting again. All right. So which you guys are already in a group. All right. So we're meeting tomorrow again. Those of you that asked to join, if you are here, hear my voice. All right. So I'm just communicating that to you. So if you're not getting what I'm saying, just feel among. I've always told you guys, and what life is. If you're mingling with 5 set of millionaires, you end up becoming the 6th millionaire. If you're mingling with 5 billionaires, you end up becoming the 6th billionaire. So now you are among that umbrella, under that circle of profitable and successful traders, diverse traders, advanced traders, crazy traders, the different kind of traders that we have in the house. All right. So you have a rub off of these people as you are participating. All right. So waiting for the economical calendar to load. I don't know why it's actually delaying. I'm not sure the reason why it is not loading. But let me check another one. Let me check daily FX. All right, I think it is up right now. Let's check out the news this app. All right, so October 30th. October 30th is tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So what do we have? Now I've taught you guys how to um understand the news, and maybe if you don't know how to understand the news, you can avoid trading. Yes, I told you guys that understanding your fundamentals, your area of concentration is the market that has high impact. Where am I talking about? This impact. Okay, this impact. All right. So each of these news, you have low, you have none, you have high. So the one that comes with high and carries a pair, the pair matters. What's going on? This has not load finish. So the what's going on? I'm not liking this at all. I've not loaded. Hope I'm not actually breaking. Right, so we have AUD high. That is a melody this morning. All right, so the flags are loading. Perfect. So let's check out for US. So where we have high euro. So guys, if you are trading euro tomorrow, maybe you are trading euro slash JPY or euro USD, you gotta shine your eyes, because by 10 a.m. look at the news are dropping high, and this is likely going to push the market. So if you are trading pairs that have euro attached to it, this is euro up to this. So news is dropping at 10 a.m. tomorrow. High, they are all high. So if you don't trade fundamentals, ensure you're not in the market at 10 a.m. or allow the market to flow. Okay, so let's go for that. All right, so which other place we have high? We are okay, still under euro, 11 p.m. 11 a.m. rather. All right, so be like saying that euro now you get that here too. All right, so for our USDCHF, we don't have any fundamentals affecting it. All right, so we are good. Even our USD right here is just low. Okay, so let's check Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, October 31st. JPY. So where do we have it? CNY, Chinese way. You do that one. So throughout Tuesday, it's still euro. All right. So Monday, Tuesday, USD pairs are are cool. JPY2 are cool. Gold so technicals should work. Should work from Monday, Tuesday. Let's check Wednesday. Okay, and Friday will be so. So in 3 days time, so we have oh shit, NFP. NFP is this week, guys. NFP is this week. 130. As you can see, USD jobless claim 4-week average October 28th. October 28th. High. All right. So market there's going to be high volatility. High one. All right. So we have a free week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, your technicals will work, but ensure that your technicals have confirmation. Do you see confirm? I put confirmation, whether that tautology is not concerned with the one that what I'm interested in. I'm telling you how serious the matter is. You get so Monday to Thursday, you can do your technicals and take good trades. Then Friday, you have a news released that is going to affect the markets. All right, and also put your eyes on screen as regards the war going on. Okay, all right. So what do you have in the chat sessions now? Like me, I'm not really understanding. Okay, that's my problem. I fit time my own FS calendar to high impact only. Beautiful. Me here don't know how to. Not a problem. Okay, sir. Confirmation. Oh, perfect. Okay, boss, help me review USD. I dribbled me on Friday. Interesting. Give a snake bite. For give a snake bite now, give a 360-degree. It's not a degree I talk. 360. Give a 360. All right, so guys, I think USDCHF is the major pair that I know that actually will go well. So I'd like you to drop your suggestions on the ones that you want us to actually review. All right, so up to you guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. It's up to you guys. So drop the pair that you want us to review. All right, so let's go and check out some USD pairs. So let's check out gold. Many of you like gold. Not you like gold. I'm gonna go check gold, guys. Let's go. And if you have questions, ensure you drop your questions. Okay, drop your questions. And never forget that when you are using your trading view, what you should use are pairs that the FXCM pairs and not any other one, because they have diverse structure in a way. There could be bullish candle here and the other one we're having the strong candle, or having bearish candle. You can confuse your trade entry, and that's not a good one. Okay, that's a very bad one. All right, so ensure you're using FXCM. For gold, you use Oando. Okay, stay safe out there and use the right currency pair. All right, so we have XAU USD. It's a very serious buy movement. So we go to the higher time frame. Let's wait for the higher time frame to load. But from the 30 minutes time frame that's actually displayed on my screen, it's actually trending up, and we have a breakout. Wow, interesting one. Okay, all right. Like I told you guys that when there's a massive push like this, impulse push like this, you expect a corresponding push to the upside. Is a body pass. So I told you guys this, and this push is still pushing up. All right. So this two candle gave a confirmation. Okay, well, this level is going to break, and it actually got broken. So based on higher time frame, we expect market to come to this level. So let's say let's go to lower time frame. Go to lower time frame and spot out entries that were likely going to take. All right. So on 4 hours time frame, we actually have this level being broken, the resistance level broken. So we expect a retracement down to that level. So we go further into the lower time frame. All right. So let's adjust our trend line, because this trend line has become invalid. So adjust it to the one that is now valid. Okay, so this one is valid as we have it right now. It's valid. Okay. Now, some of you may have questions like, how do we get to draw a trend line perfectly? Let me give you that trick now so you get to know. Now, you want to draw your trend line and get it right. Your trend line should be drawn from 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame. All right. And in some cases, the 1 time frame. If I did trader, scalper, you should draw your trend line from 4 hours, 1 hour time frame. So they are the ones that have, it's just on rare occasion that your trend line becomes invalid. Now, this one I just drew right now is on the 1 hour time frame. I think that one that I removed it from was from a 30 minutes. But now I drew this on the 1 hour time frame, in which it has proven itself to be reliable. This is first touch, second touch, third, fourth, fifth, sixth touch. So there's a high tendency that if it comes back to this trend line, it's going to bounce. All right. So, but we have a broken level at this top for a 1 hour time frame. So, right, our interest is on a retracement back to this below. Let's go to lower time frame and see what's happening there on the 30 minutes. And see where market is likely going to retrace to. I know many of you have not taught you guys Fibonacci retracement. I'll make a video on that this week on how to use Fibonacci effectively. All right, so let me know. So let me not confuse your brain too much. So let me remove this Fibonacci level. I'll make a video for you guys to understand. All right, so we have markets at this point. So at this point, what's our decision? Do we buy or do we sell? If you are buying from here, you are a fowl or you are a chicken or tolo. You know why? But if you buy from here, where you want to put your essay? Where you want to put your essay? That would be very crazy. Say where you want to put that. It's be crazy because we have impulse moves, poof, like this. So if you buy here, that means your essay go long, come to this place, and that's crazy. So don't go try that thing. You gotta wait for the market to come to you. All right. So I posted something on our status as regards relationship, and so someone related it as well in the forex market that allowed the market to come to you, which is true. So you allow the market to come to your zone. If it doesn't come to your zone, you look out for other zones that you expect market to come to. Then what happens? You take your trade. Just like I've told you guys about how effective double bottom is in the market. This is what actually happened right here. A double bottom happened and a move. Those of you that trade gold effectively, you would have caught this move up to this point. All right. So where can we actually enter from for gold? Okay. I'm going to 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what can happen there. Okay. Now, gold is here. Gold is in this place. Fantastic. And we have this rally to this upside. Don't be surprised if you have a corresponding rally to the downside. Remember what I told you, one of the cheats, when you have a rally up like this, you could expect a rally down. But remember, it's an uptrend. So what you're looking at for are possibilities to buy and not possibilities to sell. So if you're ready to risk. This market has been in an uptrend, and it has power to move up, as in to move up than sell. So sell can easily be manipulated. For buy, all right, so we have candles for me here. um a bearish candle, we have a bullish candle. Okay, so for me, what I'm going to do is I'll allow market to settle as usual. There's no clear direction as to where we're going to enter from, as to what market is going to actually play out. So what we'll just get to do on next year is to wait and observe where entry is going to be. So our bucket list, what we have on our bucket list, the first one is USDCHF, the second one is XAUUSD. Okay, so let me go to the chart section and see you guys' suggestion. So I've been trading synthetic days. I'm new to trading currency. I've told you guys that for if you're getting into trading, don't start with synthetic indices. For advanced traders, don't start with that. Start with currency. Start with Forex major. It's very important that you actually do that. If you have questions, drop your questions because I'm going to be wrapping up very, very soon. So we spent on I'm not doing that one that we spent 1 hour 30 minutes or 1 hour 40 minutes or 2 hours. Maybe I had a long day. Okay. You have USD, you have USD. So okay, we have USDJPY. Let's check USDJPY. All right, so we have USDJPY display right here. First thing first, we go to higher time frame. So setting where we are entering from. Again, Ishishikari from. All right. So we have market in an interesting zone, which I told you guys that when you have market aligning in a higher time frame zone, there are chances of that thing reacting massively. Now, what do we have right here, guys? With only what I'm saying, I've not even analyzed why we expect a fall. We expect a fall in this USDJPY because why? On a daily time frame, we have a bearish engulfing in a resistance zone, and this kind of candlestick displaying in a higher time frame, you expect a drop, crazy drop up to this level or even this level or this level, but to take time. All right, so that was speculating. But that does not mean that markets cannot change. It can still change, but based on the way I trade and how far I've come in trading, I'm expecting it down, a fall rather. So, but let's do an analysis. I already told you why I'm saying my Kuru eyes like this. All right. So we're going down to 4 hours time frame. Market has rejected, came back to this level. Okay. So this is what we actually have right there. Okay. So the only place where we can actually, based on what I'm saying right here, the place where we can actually sell if we're going to sell. Okay, so we have market right here. Let's go to, that's what I'm saying right here. Chances that market will still buy. Okay. So looking out for two places, a buy move and a sell move. Buy move from here to here. That's the buy move we're looking out for. And expect a sell once this level is taken out. I always remember that your final confirmation is your candlestick. What level? This level that we actually have, this one, this level all together. Once if it breaks out, so we have more falls, but it's going to take a long while. Like the falling is going to take a long while. All right, so this is what we're actually looking at for. This market actually ruined our trade that time. It ruined it, but the market let that go up. Yes, it went up. From this analysis I gave to you guys, this retracement, double bottom, extra market to go up. But these guys scattered our trade. But did this still go up? It still went up. See the reasons why you need to apply proper risk management to your trade, because trade can easily be manipulated. Look at this, like I said, to you, this long manipulated candle. We predicted the market to actually go up from here. The market eventually go up. It did. Look at the highest point it went to. So do you know when you look at market like this, trade hit your SL, you don't need to be scared or angry. You need to find out why. It doesn't actually mean that your trade is it doesn't mean that your trade is invalid or whatever. Doesn't mean that. All right, so let's go. So like I said to you guys, expecting a buy, the market come down to this place, a buy. Or if it breaks out of this level, expecting a sell. So looking out for zones and watch out for my signal in the funded trader. So the first one on our bucket list is USDCHF, USDCHF, XAUUSD, then this one that we have here, USDJPY. Alex says, sir, I like how you analyze your market. Very simple. Yeah. See, when you have long setup, long trades, long analysis, speak too much grammar on your trade, you are wasting your time. See, trading is very easy. You complicate things when you apply many things. So you make your trades easy when you use the most relevant thing in the market. And what is that? Trends, area of values, candlestick pattern, chart patterns, continuation pattern, those relevant stuff. You know, chalk, break of structure, those important things that you get to use. Okay. We have USD, I've analyzed USDJPY. So we have FS Media Academy to the moon. Thank you, Prosper. Samuel Oko said news. Waiting do news. Okay, okay, but I think it's based on the candle that I was talking about. Lord Emi said GPP USD. Sir, do you have a promo code for 10 trade account? Because I created one using your referral link. There's no need. I don't. Promo code is not yet set, but for using the link, you're still also cool. All right. So Buffett said sweet pair. All right. Melody John USD card. Okay. Is a Chinese, yes. Boss, please teach us how to make a sniper entry, please, boss. Okay. Making a sniper entry has to do with your area of value and candlestick form. That is how you get a sniper entry. Your sniper entry. Now let's look at this now. Based on what we are doing right here on let me share the screen on USDJPY. If you look at the higher time frame on day one, let me show you how this what a sniper entry looks like. If you are swing trading, swing traders get mind do and they get patience. Lie, they get patience. See what we call a sniper right here. This is the day one time frame. We have a bearish candle, right? That engulf this indecision candle that we have right here. Okay, so the formation of this candle is already a sniper entry for a sell. if you are swing trading. And when you are swing trading, your stop loss go loud based on the setup. But we are intraday traders, so that's why I gave you signals and where we're looking out for intraday trading. But based on swing trading, like you want to carry trade on day one time, you know that the trade you are taking now, you are timing it for the next the trade to run from now to January. That's what you are looking at it for, based on this, because now this area of an interesting level that the candlestick has formed, and like I said, this is a sniper entry for swing trade, because now you've gotten a candlestick confirmation on the resistance level. That's your sniper entry right there, and not waiting for plenty candlestick to form and you this one blah blah blah. But this is your sniper entry for swing trade, and it's not sniper entry when you come to lower time frame. All right, I'm able to break that down. So same thing applies for your lower time frame. When you have your confirmations, then you have a candlestick exactly coming out from that level. That's your sniper entry. Yes, sir. Okay, so what else do we have right here before we call it? Who is calling it XAUUSD? I've already done that. I'm new. I don't get it, sir. Not a problem at all. I've told you. If you're new in the academy, enroll and join your mates, so you can actually understand what you're actually doing right in your life. All right. So everybody, as a youth, as a young guy, the real truth is if you are not making money as a young guy, it's not good to trust me. You actually need to know how to trade. What are you doing with your time? Whatever activity you are doing currently on your phone and is not fetching you money, or you are not doing something that is going to fetch you money later in the future, you are wasting your time. Because I've told you guys that the world has gone digital for a long time and it's going very, 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 very digital. All right. It's going very, 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 very digital, very, very advanced and much more sophisticated. So you need to evaluate yourself right after this class. If you have actually not to evaluate yourself, like, okay, what am I doing with my device? Is it just looking at TikTok videos, looking at girls shaking bomb bomb or girls showing up their breasts or something, or one kind of random thing, and they're enjoying, you're looking like this, you're wasting your time, you are generating views for the person or whatever. Okay, that's a very wrong move. You should check yourself and find out whether about 70% of what you do with your phone should involve two things, either of these two things. Either you are the time you're spending on your phone is to prepare you to earn online later, or you're already earning online through what you're doing on your phone. That's the time you spend on your phone. That's the way it should be. Okay, I've told you now. I have told you. It's not going to. If you are waiting for when I for you're wasting your time. It will go up. Anything will go up for this African, they come down. Just know that and no peace. Spaghetti where they sell 100 naira that year now 600, 650 in some place. And even the spaghetti, one person even let us know that long thing that is inside, no complete again. So don't expect a better living, like a better development in the economy. No, instead, look for development for yourself and apply so that you can live above the system of this world. So even if the dollar is flying to 5,000 naira per dollar, whatever, you can still be able to afford it. All right. So that's what you should look out for. The picture you should look out for. Help yourself. Okay. Fancy, please, this news, I need more enlightenment on trading news. Fancy Chima, I've broken it down. I said your interest is with news that carries high impact label. So that is what you should look out for. So if it has high impact label, you check whether the pair that you have signal from that you want to trade has news attached to it that is coming up. So if you are going to trade it, you trade. But generally, if you don't know how to take advantage of that volatility, now I only teach that when we are doing a live stream, like when we're trading CPI, NFP. I don't trade CPI anymore. I don't stream. I told you guys I don't stream NFP anymore. Only CPI if I'm around FOMC and some other major news that may come up. All right. So, but for you, For you, what you should do is whenever you have an high impact news on the pair you are trading and the news is coming up, you should be out of the market. That's the way to trade it if you don't know how to trade. All right. So you shouldn't be in the market when there's an high impact news dropping. Once the news is dropped, then you can resume your trade. Now, say Johnson, I want to know how do I go about it? Send us a message on WhatsApp 0818. I'm typing the number 247. This is my number. All right. Don't answer anybody. I'm sending something. You see my number right now. I'm sending it right here. So you can send us a message right there and tell me and Nelson John from YouTube. I've dropped my number for you. FX Media Forex Academy. No go answer anybody. All right. So what's the next one? So is scalping good because I want to stop it. I think that's why I'm losing. All right. So now, if you want to scalp, you need to use big capital to scalp and huge lot size. So to scalp. So you should actually be 2-in-1, be a scalper slash intraday trader. That's what it should be. All right, next question is, sir, but please, where can I be getting this news from? You'll get your news from, I already said that for you. Get it from my FS book. You can search Google, my FS book, or Daily FX, or Forex Factory. All right, so how do we draw structural lines on phones? Depending on what you're using. Maybe you're using TradingView or Meta 5. Using Meta 5. The tools are there to make it easier for you. You can go to YouTube, type how to draw lines on MetaTrader or draw, so you get to see that. So which other question do we have before we call it? And please, so Olanchika said, boss, please, what is order block? Order block has to do with SMC. All right, has to do that. That's another class, another day. So I can't be teaching that right now. All right. People Young said 750 for Abia. Can you imagine? 750. Okay. So any other question that I'm missing out? Postman said the real FS goods. Thank you, man. Okay, we have USD card. I think I'll review that last. I was watching Usa's word of comedy said, I was watching as King Solomon analyze the markets using ICT concepts. I didn't really get it, but when it comes to price action, everything is simple. Boss, you are really a great mentor. Thank you so much for that review. Thank you very much. All right, so Forex is not to be complicated. If you check out your big traders in the world, about 90% of them trade price action. Check where. I'm telling you the real truth. 90% trade price. Some of you know Swaggy C now. Swaggy C TV. You can indicate if you know Swaggy C. Swaggy C is one guy that I admire as well on the internet. As a price action trader as well. And look at the kind of life it's okay. Swaggy C. But I want to understand chart movement. You need to learn to learn. This is your question has to do with you need to start learning the right way and go into the academy. All right. So if you are just joining and I've talked about pop firm, all right, how to go about it. Sure that you have a pop firm, irrespective of who you are, except you're a newbie. There's a level you get to pop firm. But if you're not a newbie at all, get a pop firm. I recommended broker from our website, then www.tfsmilitary.com. Click on the 10 trade pop account. Once you get your account, then you can send me your proof, then add you to the free funded trader. I don't drop signal every time before that, but I drop signal when the signal is very sure. You get, so that's it. If I start to say I will not to drop signal every day, come on, you lose your capital. It does not make sense. How can we use Fibonacci to? I'll make a video on that this week. Make a video on that. All right. Thank you, Kinsley. Say right on, sir. Okay. Testimony, my guy. Say thanks, Daddy. You have taught me again as always. Thank you. Everything is based on Prince action. I does that bullet. Melody John won't keep person. Which one be Prince action? I beg go. Now price action. Okay. So said everything is based on Prince. Prince. Everything is based on price action, Joe. No concept that doesn't align with price action. Yeah. I've gotten a boyfriend, still haven't added me to the group. Please send us a message. Send us a message after this class. All right. So last pair I'm analyzing for you guys. Let's check out USD card. If it's not clear, we check out JPY. head aches right now. I really aches. Fair. I want to see you guys winning. You guys saw the withdrawals I made this past week. Almost a 900k. Almost a 900k. So we're entering a new month of November. So let's say it actually goes and see what we're going to withdraw for the week. For me, I want to withdraw in 2 weeks' time. I don't want to withdraw this week. I want to trade this week and trade on the following week. So I'm looking out for from 500k to 1 million, maybe 500k to 2 million thereabout. But anyhow, we trade what the market gives to us. Let's see how it's going to be like. And I want you to also be part of the withdrawals too. I said to you guys, it gives me joy when I withdraw and the academy as well withdraw. So when I made my own withdrawals, I had some people come in that they will make their own withdrawals or two. Cool. Some withdraw over 300k. That's not fantastic. 200k, 100k, 50k, 30k, 20k. Doesn't matter. Everybody has their own diverse level. And if you're not trading a prop firm and you have a funded live account, I told you guys that if you actually have you have a good finance, you should actually just get an instant funding account straight and stop stressing yourself to pass evaluation. But if you don't, you can't afford it, there's no problem, do the evaluation. No pressure. Everybody has their own category in the prop firm. You need to check the one that you're comfortable with. All right. So no problem. I'm not pressurizing anybody. So because I'll tell you what is right, what you should actually do. Okay. So this is USDCHF. So USD card rather. I have a breakout of this trend line and market is currently in this level. Okay, let me go to lower time frame and see what's up. If there's any signal I could actually see on USD CAD, USD card. So there's no signal. We'll check JPP JPY. But USD card is not part of the pair as you guys should check. Why is this shit not loading? Okay. So this is what we have on USD card. So I'll go back to 4 hours time. Interesting. So for me, I don't see an entry right here other than a retracement. A retracement. So once there's a retracement, we are going to take cash entry. So we don't need to have too many trades in our pipeline so we don't get confused. So we don't be misled as to what we are looking at. But I believe you guys actually put down what you're looking at for. The first one we look at for is USDCHF. We have gold. Then we have which other one that we looked out for again. I can't actually remember what you looked at for again. So, but basically those two that we mentioned and we analyzed. Okay, so this JPY, JPY. So the other ones I analyzed can drop in the chat section, so I could actually remember that. That my PA that PA just gave me. So I asked her to put it down. The one that we look out for that has good setup. Mentioned USDCHF, XAUUSD. I think there's another one as well. Okay. All right, so this is what we have on USD, GPP, JPY. We've been having a ranging market all this while. Market has been ranging from this level. Market has been ranging. Candlestick see confirmation. So if you have sense, since you are making profit as is ranging, and look at this was my analysis that last time. Said it was going to go, or it breaks out, we test and move up. It just break out of this place, came back to that zone. This is a clear manipulation. Clear manipulation. So what's the reason for actually dropping to this and start falling down when you've actually broke out completely? What are you still doing inside this box? So this is a clear manipulation right here, because you've broken out already. What are you finding inside this box? You came inside the box already and gravity happened. That's a clear manipulation. So based on the fact it's ranging right here, so what I would just suggest is you should just leave GBP for now before it takes out the stop loss anyhow. Okay, but if you're looking at what we have here, if you have market breakout of this support level, so we should be looking at more falls to the downside. So most especially this this level right here. See here, trading is very simple. Find the area of value, find your candlestick, find your other instruments of tools, analyze, go like take your trade, don't go you rest. Yes, so if it breaks out, cool. But based on what I'm saying here, it may not actually be a breakout. Why? Because we have a bullish candle engulfing here. Our market has opened though. Market has opened. You guys also the red candle that does perform. Shows the market opened right now. So let's see how it goes. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. This is a lot, man. Lot. Lot. Okay. Let's see how it goes anyway. I think that'll be all. All right. Thank you. USDJPY. So we have USDJPY, USDCHF, XAUUSD. All right. Beautiful. I registered on 10 trade. If you have registered, you fund your account now. Sorry, you fund your wallet, then buy an account now. You don't need to. I see some of you registering. See, you don't just register without doing anything there. If you are registering, you fund your account. You fund your account, trade, or you fund your wallet, buy an account, whichever one is a prop firm and a prop and a broker as well. Okay. So are we going to get this downloaded after class, sir? It will be available on the YouTube channel. You can always watch it. Market just opened. Yes, we were young. Prince action. All right. So thank you so much, guys. You guys are wonderful. Martin says, sir, I've signed up for 10 trades. Sir, what about you, USD? I think I'm done analyzing everything. So you don't need to have too many analysis on your pipeline. Sir, please, how am I going to get access to your free signal platform? I said it's simple. It's simple. If you are a newbie trader, just remove your mind from there first. But if you're already trading, you sign up with 10 trades, fund your wallet, buy an account, a profile account, you get access to the funded trader. So we're still going to have a VIP room, but for now, let everybody be enjoying the signal provided. Now, people are passing profile. Trust me, people are passing this. They are passing, and people are buying instant market. What you call it? Sorry, instant funded account, like a real funded account. The people are actually doing stuff, withdrawing good money. I'm telling you the real truth. I don't start mentioning it. There are plenty. New to there are plenty. So if you are waiting for when I post before you do something, you're wasting your time. People are making withdrawals. They are making withdrawals. So join the team. Thank you so much, OG Nations TV. I enjoy your teachings, boss. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Okafor is asking, how can I buy it? There's a video I dropped already on my YouTube channel. I don't know why you guys are having to repeating this thing. The video is already there. Go and watch the video. How to pass your 10 trade account. Watch it. It's a 28 to 29-minute video. Watch it well. Understand it very well. Okay. Testimony is a market open with evening star. Yeah, but that candlestick have not closed. When it closes, we'll get to know if it is evening star. All right. So I think that'll be all. Thank you so much for being part of the live stream. Ensure that you trade the market effectively, trade according to what we actually analyze. evaluate your trading plan, check your psychological level. So check your psychology, the way you take your trades, the situation surrounding you, how you manage yourself. You understand that people have needs, they have problems to solve. You get that. Would that allow you to cloud your trading decision? Ensure you have a perfect confirmation before you take your trade. All right, have a perfect confirmation before you take your trade. Don't allow whatever that's going on around you to influence your trading. Like it influence your trading that you're taking bad trades, but you can allow it to influence your trading to take good trades. Okay, hope I'm getting that. All right, so I'm talking to you, I'm giving you a pep talk to could help you move on. If you are not actually there you are not there yet to making profitable withdrawals, don't worry. As long as you're on track, the money will soon start rolling in. Just keep doing what you're doing, be consistent and be consistent in doing the right thing. Nelson John, he said, how do you fund the account, guy? Nelson John, I remember you clearly. You said you want to learn, meaning come. Yeah, I need to trader. So you should really be looking at funding your account. You should be looking at learning. Chase the knowledge first before you earn. All right. So guys, keep winning, keep getting better at your trading. Trading is for life. All right. You keep getting better. Is there light at the end of the tunnel? Yes. Nobody want any part will take light at the end. Yes, there's light. With the right mentor, like FS Media that I'm mentoring, even if you have graduated, you've been whatever level that you are, you still come out together, open up free, giving you guys a lot of free benefits. Why? Because I'm making a lot of money for myself. All right. So, and I want to empower a lot of people with my decision. You understand that this value I'm giving, a lot of people are paying so much for it. So much for it. So I have this person have been 500k, 300k, 1 million, 800, 900, it depends. All right. But I'm giving it you guys value. I want you guys to win. Your profit does not affect my profit. All right. Peter says, sir, please, after this class, can we get the video? The videos will already be available on our YouTube channel. So if you are not following us, please kindly subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification so that whatsoever video that we drop, you don't miss out, you get first-hand information. So we're going to be dropping back-to-back videos from now till December, even to next year. Crazy, fantastic videos. So one of the ones you have to look out for is Fibonacci retracement. This week we're going to be dropping that, how to use Fibonacci, and I have not been showing you guys how I use it because I've not taught you how to use it. So once I release such video, you'll be seeing it in my analysis. And we understand that you can actually get how to use Fibonacci level on YouTube, but trust me, not all of them are correct. Many of them are wrong. So you need to chill and wait for the one I'm going to give to you that works well, effectively. So how can I register in ten trade? I was speaking for instance. Simple to our website www.fsmediatrade.com. Then scroll down, get your account. All right, guys. I think that'll be all. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely week. And don't forget to send in your profits when you're making them. And don't forget to take your signals as well. Buy your ten trade account and start trading. December is by the corner. Christmas is by the corner. You should have made a lot of profit from that. Target. Be serious. Trade like a madman. I don't mean you're a madman, no. I don't mean you should overtrade, though. Like, what I'm not trying to say, you should be focused on trading well. That I said, trade like a madman. All right, guys. Thank you so much for thanking me. Thank you for your blessings. I received them. And you too, I wish you the same blessings that you wish me. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Keep winning. Bye, guys.